Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone in your LG K50. To do this operation, go to your settings, sound, and you can choose the ringtone for your SIM 1. You can change the ringtone on your SIM 2. Just okay if you want it. And you can choose the notification sound for your SIM card 1, SIM card 2 of course, and you can choose the vibration type of your SIM 1 or SIM 2. That's it. You have choosing your ringtone and notification sound. After that, you can of course change the profile if you want it. Okay, if the video is helpful for you, if yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!